Last day at the beach, and we're going to shoot off a firework. Dude, that was awesome, wasn't it? That was so cool.